Hi everybody. In this presentation, we are going to see about what is meant by artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Are they same or different? Before going to the terms, we will see what is the difference between traditional approach and machine learning approach. In traditional approach, we will develop a program, we will give an input. For the input, it will give the output. But in case of machine learning, we will give the input and what is the desired output. The system, the machine will automatically develop the program according to the need. This is the diagrammatic representation which says about AI, ML and deep learning. Machine learning is one of the subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is one of the subset of machine learning. We will see in detail about this. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means importing human intelligence to machine. That is, making the machine to perform like a human being. In addition, we can say the ability of computer program or a machine to think and learn. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like a human and mimic like their action. Now we will see the comparison between human and machine. For human to function effectively, we need the major organs as brain, eye, ear and mouth, hands and legs. The function of brain is taken care by machine learning, which helps to think, make decision, problem solving, planning, acquiring knowledge, learning and recognition. Next comes the computer vision. Computer vision trains the computer to interpret and understand the visual world. Example, face recognition, object recognition, traffic signboard recognition. NLP stands for Natural Language Programming. The function of ear, that is the hearing and speaking, is taken care by NLP. It is used for speech recognition, voice to text conversion, text to voice conversion, answering the question, etc. The physical movement of hands and legs are taken care by robotics. Thus, the classification of AI includes machine learning, computer vision, NLP and robotics. All this combined together to make a complete product. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Now what is meant by machine learning? As I said, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. The main motto of machine learning is focusing on learning and training. As a human being, we learn things, we gain the experience. Based upon our experience, we will find a better solution. Similarly, machine learning is concerned with giving the machine the ability to learn by training algorithm on a huge amount of data. We can also say machine learning has the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. They learn themselves. We no need to program separately. Now we will see what are the types of machine learning. The first one is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning and deep learning. Supervised learning means we have to give the input as well as output for the machine to learn. In case of unsupervised learning, we will give the input but we will not give the desired output. Clustering type of application will fall under this unsupervised learning. Semi-supervised learning, as the name implies, for some of the input we will give the desired output and for some of the input we will not give the desired output. The system will combine the supervised and unsupervised learning. The machine learning development have moved to next level with the development of deep learning. The thing is, in deep learning is a subfield of machine learning concerned with algorithm inspired by the structure and function of the brain called artificial neural network, which means the learning structure, the learning function is similar to the brain of human. Neurons are very important for the brain function. So scientists have designed a structure which will work similar to human brain. That is the speciality of deep learning. This is a representation which shows how the neurons are get connected to each other. Here we are having three sets of layer: input layer, output layer and hidden layer. Each one circle refers the neurons. The neurons are interconnect with each other similar to the structure of the human brain. That is the speciality of deep learning. The types of deep learning are ANN, CNN, RNN. Artificial neural network. This is meant for the input which are in numbers. CNN is applicable for image type of input and RNN is the recurrent neural network which is suitable for the application which depends upon the time series. Now we will see a basic difference between the machine learning and deep learning. In case of machine learning, for the given data or input, the user have to define what are the important features which will represent the input. Based upon the feature extraction, the classification process will done. In this example, based upon the feature extraction by the user, the classification is done based as car or not a car. The feature is nothing but the representation or characteristics of the image. For example, in the car image, the number of wheels, the color, the pattern, the texture, so many parameters like this. In case of deep learning, the speciality is we no need to find the features. The system itself will find the feature and do the classification. So you give an input, it will classify as a car or not a car. Feature extraction, the classification, everything will take care by the deep learning. What is the major difference between deep learning and machine learning? The first one is the data requirement. Since in deep learning, the system itself have to learn, so the number of input images or the number of data required is very large compared to machine learning. The deep learning needs millions of data, whereas machine learning needs thousands of data. Accuracy. Since the deep learning is self-learning similar to human, the accuracy is more compared to machine learning. Training time, as the data size is very large, the training time needed for deep learning is very high compared to machine learning, and the hardware dependency is the major factor, which is machine learning can be executed in our CPU, whereas in deep learning, since it have to handle lot of computation and the number of input is also very large, it is required for GPU, graphical processing unit. And the tuning parameters in machine learning, the number of tuning parameter is very limited because the user have to decide which are the tuning parameters. But in case of deep learning, the system will automatically define its own parameters. So it has more number of parameters. So these are some of the applications of AI. Self-driving cars, to develop music by its own, to draw, and this is one of the robo named Sophia have got citizenship in Saudi Arabia. So these are some of the major applications. Apart from this, other applications of machine learning are medical diagnosis, that is predicting the disease of a person, whether it is a tumor or not a tumor. Then it is used in stock market trading online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email detection, self-driving cars, product recommendation, traffic prediction, speech recognition, image recognition, automatic language translation. One question is it possible to achieve artificial intelligence without machine learning? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but it requires millions of line coding. I will recommend you to view the movies which will help you to better understand about the AI concept. One is iRobot, Ex Machina, AlphaGo, Wall-E. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.